Sports timepieces are generally known for their robust design and high-performance capability, but Parmigiani Fleurier is charting a new path, seeking to redefine this category as it introduces a sports timepiece that embraces an active lifestyle-oriented approach while seamlessly blending it with an effortless elegance the brand is known for. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about the brand Parmigiani or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Parmigiani timepiece in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our webshop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Parmigiani timepieces, including the Tonda PF Sport Automatic. When Parmigiani Fleurier first introduced the Tonda PF collection, their vision was clear: to create a series of elegant timepieces that embodied a sartorial approach to watchmaking. These timepieces were perfectly proportioned, where the art of stitching found expression in metalwork and intricate weave patterns adorned the dial. Now, as they breathe new life into this emblematic collection, the Fleurier Maison is expanding its horizons, crafting pieces that could effortlessly transition from the corporate boardroom to the relaxed ambiance of a boardwalk stroll. The Tonda PF Sport Automatic comes with a 41mm case and is waterproof up to 100 meters and available in stainless steel or 18-karat rose gold. It proudly incorporates the knurled bezel that has become synonymous with Parmigiani's masterpieces and one of the many recognition factors. However, in contrast to its PF counterparts, the PF Sport features 160 incisions instead of the usual 220, resulting in a more robust appearance and a distinctly sportier feel. Thanks to a compact and sleek design, the timepiece feels very comfortable on the wrist. Regardless of the wrist size, this timepiece somehow manages to look good on any wrist size, as you can see on the wrist comparison. The overall subtle and timeless design makes it a must-have timepiece and the ideal companion for any occasion. Still not sure? Convince yourself and give it a try at one of our boutiques where you can discover this timepiece with our watch experts together. Discretion is a virtue at Parmigiani Fleurier, and in keeping with the Tonda PF aesthetic, the logo and date window are both very discreet. The small PF medallion is positioned at 12 o'clock and the date window is at 6 o'clock. The dial is decorated with a hand-guilloché triangular nail pattern. Guillochage is a centuries-old artisanal technique that creates richly textured surface decoration to enhance the effect of light falling on a surface from different angles. The applied hour markers are coated with black superluminova, which in combination with the simple and uncluttered design of the dial ensures perfect legibility. Powering the PF Sport Automatic is Parmigiani's PF 770 caliber, which operates at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour and incorporates a double-barrel movement, providing a remarkable power reserve of up to 60 hours. When observed through the sapphire crystal caseback, you'll notice the beautifully beveled edges and the Côte de Genève decorated surface of the movement. Adding a sporty touch is a 22-karat rose gold skeletonized and sandblasted oscillating weight, drawing inspiration from the iconic steering wheel of the legendary Ferrari 250 GTO. The textured strap is Cordura-treated rubber, handcrafted and stitched. Its anchorage point between the lugs is so seamless that it gives the impression of being integrated into the case. The strap is equipped with a matching folding clasp in 18-karat rose gold or stainless steel. Parmigiani Fleurier speaks a distinctive language of discreet luxury and natural elegance, and the new Tonda PF Sport line is no exception. It's a timepiece that you can comfortably wear every day and is perfect for those who love that sporty style but don't necessarily want to compromise on sophistication and luxury. You have a choice between a stainless steel case priced at 19,500 Swiss francs or the more opulent 18-karat rose gold version priced at 35,000 Swiss francs. No doubt this timepiece is the kind of piece you will find yourself reaching for day after day. We are delighted to have the Parmigiani Tonda PF Sport Automatic, the latest addition to its Tonda PF collection, at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service. we will deliver any timepiece within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. For the purists out there, what do you think of the modifications made to the model and the understated new look of the Tonda PF Sport? In your opinion, which feature worked perfectly to achieve that active but elegant aesthetic? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.